What's up, guys? I'm in the middle of the street, as you can see, which I shouldn't do that.
You gonna go inside the park?
Yeah, we can go inside the park. We can do that first if you want. Just letting you see, where's that at? Get my throat out, man. So out here with Philly Dime. I'm out here in Port-au-Prince and Petionville. And I'm just walk around a little bit, let you see the area. I'm out here with my cousins, the people right here. Yeah, open it up for me so I can take the...
It's open.
I need to do that right now. That's all. Crazy. I'm still feeling a little bad, guys, but I said I'm gonna do this video, so I'm gonna do the video. Yeah. That's what I say, man. I know. I understand, my old friend. The guy's upset, he don't want me to record him. I won't do that, man. Told you, like in these countries, man, it's really hard because a lot of people, like I've been getting a lot of resistance in the Dominican Republic and Haiti, like people don't want you to record them, man. So it's a little rough at times. But I'm still finding ways to do this. What's the name of this park right here?
That's St. Pierre.
Oh, St. Pierre is the name of the park we had. We in Petionville, which is like the suburbs of Port-au-Prince.
Yeah, the church over there.
They had a church over there right there. Let you see that. Let me zoom in on it. Catholic church or?
Catholic.
Okay. And the park we in is called St. Pierre. By my saying. Just walking around. It's every people in the park playing soccer.
Oh, they play, so watch out for them.
They gonna knock me over. I'm a big dude. I'm a big dude. It's gonna be hard for them to knock me over. I put my Philly face on, a serious face. These cats know what time it is. That's crazy. The people here be more chill than the people that down like down the way.
What's up?
What's up?
Just walk over there.
All right.
Turn around there. The police station right there, and then to the hotel.
And then we walk down the hill, and we good. St. Pierre Park, Petionville. You're gonna help me out a lot, Queen. You know. Then if you go up that way, Ken's call.
Yes, Ken's call. Billy and Tomas and all that other stuff. They right there. That's the police station right there.
Okay. What time is it right now anyway? Oh, about 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. in the evening. 4:54, Haiti. Haiti time. that was a nice. You told her I'm down here? Oh, she already know about it. I know they all know now. What's the name of that hotel again? What's the name of it?
Kinam.
Kinam.
You don't.
No, I ain't gonna go in there. I'm not gonna go to the front of it.
You're gonna go to the side and you just take a picture.
Yeah. Where's the front entrance at to get in here?
The front entrance on that side.
That side. Kinam Hotel. This is a good hotel. If you come in Port-au-Prince and Petionville area, this is the kind of hotel you would want to stay at. Very nice, very upscale. Almost fell. And Haiti's known for their artwork. We're gonna go across the street and look at their artwork too a little bit. So like I said, I'm just trying to give you a feel, everyday life in Haiti. Right now, this is considered like the suburbs. I think I can get in over there. As you can see the artwork over here. Haiti's known for their artwork, as you can see.
Oh, that's tight.
Oh yeah. He's still doing that one. Wow.
That's it tight.
It's a nice piece of work, man.